Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. Thanks for stopping by to take a closer look at the Baskets of Bunnies collection designed by Becky Moore. I'm Amy Sonneman, and I'm excited to share with you all of the fun papers, stamps, stencils, and ephemera that comes with this collection. Let's hop right in and take a look at each of the pieces in this collection a little bit closer. This is the collection kit. It includes 2 sheets of each of the 6 papers in this collection, as well as the Elements sticker sheet. Let's take a look at all of the fun designs and cute patterns in this collection. The Up and Away paper includes great puffy clouds and all of these lovely hot air balloons shaped like eggs floating through the sky. The back of that paper includes a diagonal stripe that mixes and matches beautifully with all of the other papers in this collection. Here at PHOTOPLAY, we love cut-aparts. So the Easter Wishes cut-aparts include 2 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts. You can use them for titles, you can use them on cards, for journaling spots, and so much more. The back of this paper has this beautiful bright yellow with lighter yellow eggs and carrots, flowers, as well as tiny bits of leaves and polka dots. This would be a great base paper for cards as well as layouts. Easter wouldn't be the same without an egg hunt. And this paper features all the fun, fanciful eggs in bright, bold colors with little flowers as well as these cute carrots. The back of this paper is filled with adorable baby chicks. This paper is called Hop Hop, which includes this cute little whimsical bunny with flowers and hearts in the background. How adorable is that? The back of that paper features a coordinating background with white polka dots. This peach color is absolutely gorgeous. If you're mad for plaid, break out your Sunday best because this plaid paper is absolutely adorable. It has all of the fun colors that are featured throughout the collection. The back includes this 2-tone green in a basket weave pattern. The last paper in this collection is called Spring Buds, which features this fun pink background with white flowers and green leaves. The back of that paper mixes and matches beautifully with the flowers in this green and white gingham. The Elements sticker sheet includes lots of great egg designs. Love this Happy Easter in the rainbow of colors for a title. There are tabs, there are banners, cute little flowers, lots of whimsical bunnies, chicks, carrots, some little banners, as well as a few words at the bottom made into tickets, this egg border, as well as this green gingham border. So fun, lots of elements to add to your paper crafting projects. This is the ephemera pack that matches all of the papers in this collection. It includes 26 adorable pieces of ephemera with lots of whimsical creatures like this fun bunny, chicks, carrots, baskets with decorated eggs, including frames and tickets, tags, tabs, and so much more. If you love to color, be sure to pick up a piece of the Color Me paper that matches this collection. It features all of these fun designs that you can color and cut apart, as well as the back side, which you can color and use the sheet as a solid piece of 12 by 12 paper, or you can cut it apart for pocket page scrapbooking or even cards. This collection also includes a photopolymer stamp set with coordinating dies that are sold separately. You could easily stamp this nest in brown and put the mom and baby bird inside of the nest. Absolutely precious. It wouldn't have to be for Easter. You could also do it for Mother's Day. That would be absolutely stunning. I love this hot air balloon. So cute with the little duck and the bunny and then this little tiny bird. There's also flowers and leaves and a few sentiments which say Easter wishes and you're a good egg. If you decided to pick up the coordinating dies, you might also want to pick up a piece of the die paper that matches the dies perfectly. So all of the dies cut out each of the pieces you see here. There's always a sample card, so the second you get your piece of die paper, you can cut out the elements to create one card. When it's finished, it looks like this. So you've already got one fast card that is adorable to be able to quickly send to a friend or family member. While I was playing around, I also decided to come up with a few other cards that would be so fun to send to friends and family. This is one of the cut aparts here, as well as a greeting. And here's the mom and baby bird in the little nest. How sweet is that? This is also an interactive card. So they don't have to be for Easter. You can also use it for Mother's Day or thinking of you or sending hugs. How cute would that be? The last piece in this collection, and honestly one of my favorites, is the stencil that creates a bunch of different Easter eggs. And how adorable is this to be able to ink blend all the different Easter eggs on a card or on a layout. So cute. You could easily let your kids do this. You could have them stencil a solid egg and then put any one of the patterns over the top in a different color. That would be beautiful. This card was made by just using each of the eggs individually. So there's lots of things you can do with this. You can easily put it on a card, a layout, pocket pages. Any of your Easter decor would be so cute. Stencils are a great way to add a little fun to paper crafting. And that is the Baskets of Bunnies collection. We hope you like this collection. If you create something that you'd love to share, we would love to see it. So be sure to tag us on Instagram, #PHOTOPLAYPAPER, and who knows, you might see your beautiful creation on our Instagram feed. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching.